If your WeChat contacts have become cluttered with people you no longer talk to or accounts you don't need, you're not alone. In this video, we'll show you the easiest methods to delete WeChat contacts on iPhone and keep your WeChat organized. Part 1. How to delete WeChat contacts on iPhone. Deleting a WeChat contact on iPhone is simple. Just follow the steps below. Step 1. Open the WeChat app on your iPhone and tap Contacts at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Scroll to find the contact you want to delete and tap on their name to open their profile. Step 3. Tap the in the top right corner and select the delete option. Step 4. Once you confirm, the contact will be deleted, and any associated chats will be removed from your WeChat. Part 2. How to block WeChat contacts on iPhone. If you don't want to delete a contact but want to stop them from contacting you, blocking them is a better choice. Blocking prevents the person from sending you messages, viewing your moments, or seeing your profile updates. They will not receive any notification that you have blocked them. Step 1. Open the WeChat app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Contacts and find the contact you want to block. Step 3. Tap on the contact's name to open their profile, then tap the button and enable the block option. To unblock someone, go to Me Settings Privacy and tap on Blocked List. Select the contact's name to open their profile, then tap the button in the upper right corner to turn off the block option. The person will be removed from your blocked list. Part 3. How to clear other WeChat data on iPhone. WeChat often leaves behind tons of cached images, videos, and temporary files even after you delete or block contacts, which can take up gigabytes on your iPhone. To fully clear this hidden data and free up space, tools like Coolmuster iOS Cleaner can deep scan your device and remove all the leftover WeChat cache and junk files. Step 1. Install and launch the WeChat Data Cleaner on your computer and link your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Then the program will automatically detect your device. Simply select the first mode to move on. Step 2. To clear WeChat documents and data, simply check the box before the Select All option to choose all junk file types and hit the Start Scan button to scan for details. Step 3. After a quick scan, you can see how much space the junk files take up on your iPhone. Simply check the Select All option and hit the Clean button to remove them from your iPhone.